Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify responsive design with Webflow, complete guide step by step clearly. To start verifying responsive design with Webflow, open your Webflow project. Navigate to the designer mode to access your project's elements. In the top left corner, locate the device icon for the responsive design options. Click on the device icon to reveal the different screen sizes available for testing. Choose the mobile viewport to see how your design appears on smaller screens. Examine each element of your design to ensure they are properly aligned and sized. Next, switch to the tablet viewport to check the design's adaptability. Look for any elements that may need adjustments in this format, such as headings and images. Repeat this process for the desktop viewport to confirm your design works well on larger screens. While testing each viewport, use the Interactions panel to verify that animations and transitions function smoothly. Consider using the preview mode to experience how users will navigate through your site on each device. Pay close attention to the margins and paddings, as they may require tweaking for different resolutions. Utilize Webflow's built-in style panel to adjust CSS properties like font sizes and spacing as needed. Inspect the responsive settings for each element to ensure they are set to adjust according to screen size. If you encounter any issues, use Webflow's forums or documentation for guidance. Finally, test your design on actual devices if possible, to validate your design in real-world scenarios. Once you have completed these steps, your responsive design will be thoroughly verified within Webflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.